Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, in the last video I did the two little 10 by 10s in the golds and coppers and earthy tones, and I don't have them here to show you because I boxed them all up along with the other 10 pieces that I'm shipping off to Texas, and so I can't show them to you because I shipped them out over the weekend because they need to get to Dallas. They need to get to Texas for the Fluid Art experience. So I had to ship them off. However, I did record a quick little video of me showing them to you. So I will put that, I guess, here. Let me do that here. Okay, so there you go. That is what they look like, the dried results. That's so weird. I have to edit that part in. I had to, like, it's so weird. But anyways, there you go. That's what they look like. So yeah, they are getting shipped off along with so many other things that I have going on that need to go to Texas to get ready for my classes. You know, my wood rounds with my metal turtle stencils need to be shipped out, which are also got shipped out. But yeah, oh my gosh, in less than 3 weeks, my friends, less than 3 weeks, I'm going to be flying out to Dallas, Texas for the Fluid Art experience, March 14th to the 16th. If you want information and to book seats, which you can still do so, go to www.fluidartexperience.com. All right, so really quickly before I get to the painting, I maybe some of you are tired of hearing it, maybe not, but I'm gonna say it anyway. A couple of videos ago, I did a video about my letter writing, just another little source of income that I am doing for myself. I wanted to share that knowledge with all of you guys. You know, I got positive feedback and I got a lot of negative feedback, which is totally fine. I don't care. You know, if you don't want to believe in it, you don't want to believe me when I tell you that it works, that is fine. You're not hurting my feelings. But there was one person in that letter writing video 2 videos back that really took a dig at me, and not just about letter writing, about my laser machine and this and that. And she just went to town on me. And I know you could say, well, Kanella, just block and delete and, you know, whatever, but that's not always the right way to do it, because then you just, you know, let that person think that they got to you and, you know, let them, you know, no, don't let them win. So in one of her comments, she said, and I quote, because I have it here so I can read it, so that you guys can see it too. Her name is Judy Palumbo. And she said, I would like to see her take that stack of envelopes she has there and take the rubber band off and fan them. I bet it is a stack of blank envelopes, and that the top one is the only one with an address on it. The envelopes are too thin to have a letter in them, and if it has a postcard or index type card, the stack would be more rigid. Well, to you, Judy, I will say this. You're wrong. And because I cannot physically put a picture in a comment on YouTube, YouTube doesn't allow that. They only allow links. I cannot post a picture to show you. So I'm going to do you one better. Here's my stack. You know, the one that you said, you know, had a, you know, elastic on it. And you said, oh, only the top letter has writing on it. No, it doesn't. They all have writing on them. This is 100 envelopes. And yes, I'm covering the top because I don't need hundreds of thousands of people to see my home address. Okay? So yeah, that's why I'm covering the top. But look, all of them, okay? And they're stamped and sealed. And yes, there is an index card in every single one of them. But here's the kicker. I'm gonna put these upside down so you can't see my address. There's more. I have 2 stacks. Okay, so yes, this works. And I'm not sitting here wasting my time writing envelopes and index cards and making extra side cash money if it didn't work. So yeah, that's 200 envelopes that I wrote out and index cards inside that I wrote in the last 5 days. Okay, and I'm gonna ship these off, and every single one of these is gonna get me $5 USD once I convert the coins that I get for writing these. And again, if you guys want more information, I'm not going to go into it in videos anymore. You can feel free to email me, ask me all kinds of questions, DM me, email me. I'll be more than happy to tell you about it. But again, if you go 2 videos back, there's a link. You can click on the link. There's all the information and videos from the company. Like, I mean, all kinds of things. All right. So here you go, Judy. I hope you're watching. All right. 200 letters. There you go. That's all I'm going to say about that. Hope you saw that so that I can prove you wrong. Anyways, moving along. See, stuff like that bugs me because it's just like, you know, I don't lie to you guys. I've never lied to you guys, you know. I'm a straight shooter. It is what it is. And if I tell you I'm writing letters, I am literally writing letters. My thumb is so sore, but I don't care because it's helping me financially. So it's just mind-boggling to me. But this woman really went after me. Again, talking about my laser machine and this and that. And I was like, oh my gosh. Anyways, let's get into a happy place, shall we? So I posted a video on Facebook a couple of days back. Video number, oh boy, 714? Oh, I can't remember. 714? Anyways, but it was a 10 by 20 inch canvas or 12 by 24. And I did a white base with these colors, and the colors were so rich and bold. And everybody loved it in the comments. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do the exact same colors, but I'm going to do it on a black base this time and see how much more the colors pop, because we all know colors pop way more on a black base than they do on a white base. So that being said, my black base is my Oxide Black by Amsterdam. All right, and then we've got Mauve by Holbein. Then we've got Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Luminous Rose by Holbein. Then I've got Dioxazine Purple by Golden. 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Then we have Luminous Violet by Holbein again. And then topping it off, I've got Indigo by Amsterdam, and it's the Expert series. So I've got 2 Holbein paints in here, and Holbein and DecoArt like to take over. So we have to be very light-handed and careful with how much we put down of the Holbein and the 24K. And if you want to know how I mix my paints, I mix them with water and Floetrol, and I have a full tutorial with complete ratios for different brands. Video number 719, I will link it up here at the top. Check out that video and you'll know how to mix your paints for the perfect blowout. All right, I'm going to flood my canvas and I shall be right back. All right, canvas flooded. Bubbles have been popped with the torch. I didn't even think about what kind of composition I wanted to do with this one. I always do my wispies. What about an L? What if I did that? Yeah, let's change it up. But I do like my wispies though. Oh, I don't know. Why don't I think about these things ahead of time? Because just my brain doesn't function sometimes because it's so busy thinking about other things. I If I did an L, see, usually an L would be best on a bigger canvas. You get a little tight when it's done on a smaller canvas. So, you know what? I'm gonna stick, oh gosh, this is Holbein too. Holy shmoly! I have 3 Holbein paints. I totally didn't even think about that. 3 Holbein paints. Oh, goodness gracious. But that's okay, because I did that with the white base painting I did. So, you know, I'll just squirt an extra more. Does that even make sense? Extra more. I'm going to squirt extra on the rest of these colors. Okay, so this is Holbein, Luminous Rose. So I'm not going to squeeze as much. But it sure is a pretty pink. Look at that. Wow. All right, now we've got golden. So anywho, yeah, when I'm not here in the studio or busy with my kids and the dogs, I am literally in my office upstairs writing letters. Lots of letters. All right, 24 karat gold. Ooh, that was a little clumpy coming out of there. Light-handed on the 24K, my friends. Anywho, yeah, I cannot wait. If I showed you guys what it looked like outside my house, like oh gosh, this is Holbein too. Careful, Kanella. Shouldn't talk when I paint or put paints down. Right straight ahead is the front door to my house. And right outside, I see nothing but white. There is a mountain, and I mean a mountain of snow right at the end of my driveway and house. And it's probably about 20 feet high. Maybe if I remember, I'll show you guys a picture. Actually, I'll put it right here. Put a picture right here. Boom. Yep, that's outside my house. That is what's happening outside my house. We have got so much snow in the last couple of days. It is insane. And the problem is these snow plows and trucks have nowhere to put it. So they just keep piling it and piling it into this mountainous of snow, which is now blocking part of my driveway, which really sucks because it's really hard to put 2 cars in the driveway when half of it's being blocked by snow. And it's minus 29 Celsius, which is minus 20 Fahrenheit for you guys in the US. It is flipping cold outside today, okay? Walking the dogs was no fun today, let me tell you. But yeah, it's cold. All right, I'm going to blow this out, so let's go. Wow. Okay, so for starters, let me tell you my observations and my findings. And that is that there was way too much paint on the canvas. But that is okay. Wow, look at the cells that are just still forming and coming up. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. That's pretty. I'm loving the gold trim. That hot pink right there. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. I like it a lot. And more cells will continue to come through. Just pushing some of the black over. There was a lot of base paint happening here. But that's okay, because again, when you start in the middle and fan your way out, you can push all the paint off the canvas. But if you were to start here, go here, go here, and go here, and end up in the middle, oh boy, you're in big trouble. Oh, wow. Look at the cells that are just coming up. This is so pretty. Here's a doggy hair hanging right from the bottom of the canvas here. Okay, I am going to fix up my edges, and hopefully by the time I do that and bring you guys in for a close-up, more cells will pop up. This is stunning. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, before we get to the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. All right, scrape them off, do all 4 sides, come back to your painting about 10 minutes later and do it again. But look at this. Look at these skins. When this dries on the table, these are going to make the most beautiful skins. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, now let's get to the close-up. So definitely more cells have popped up. If you rewind the video and go back to when I initially finished blowing out the paints, there were not this many cells. This thing is going to shimmer. This thing is going to pop when it's dry, and then it gets a top coat of crystal resin. So there is your close-up. Let's check it out with the lights off. All right, so got the flash on, and of course there's going to be lots of shimmer because of the 24 karat gold. And of course there's the Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo, which is a lot right here. So pretty, so much shimmer. Oh, this is gonna dry so nicely. I love 24K for painting. It's like the perfect color. There's lots of shimmer in here. Wow. And there you have it, my friends. Would love to know what you guys think about this one. If you did watch the white base one, again, video 714 or 713 or something, just somewhere around there. You can't miss it. You'll see it in the thumbnail of the video. So check that one out and let me know, which one did you like better? Does the black look better, the black base, or the white base? Let me know. This is a, I don't know if I told you, a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and it will be available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you can email me, kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And do not forget, go and get your tickets. Book your seats if you are still interested in coming to Dallas, Texas for the Fluid Art Experience. There are tickets. There are tickets still available. All right, that is it for me for now. I'm off to the post office. There's my bag. I can put all my envelopes in them and drop them off at the post office. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.